All right, we just got back.
Turn left onto State Park.
Well, we got back to our campsite from Savannah, walking around with the dogs.
Missed your turn again.
Oh no! I tend to do that a lot. I miss the turn when I'm vlogging and driving.
Dangerous. Don't do it at home.
That's why we're doing it on the road.
Start over. What were you saying?
We just left the RV park. We're heading to Tybee Island to go to the beach and swim. We dropped the doggies off and got some lunch. And then probably around 4:35 we're gonna go hit up a happy hour.
Yes.
Sweet.
At the Wild Dockside Bar.
The Wild Dockside Bar.
WILD. Wild
Okay.
Dockside Bar.
Okay.
Which I found per recommendation online.
Oh, where online?
I don't know. Some travel website.
Nice. All right, so we'll see you in Tybee Island. Welcome to Tybee Island. We're just driving into the beach. It's a peek behind us, but this is a pretty cool thing, the hurricane storm surge elevation. I don't know, thought it was pretty cool. Got to the beach, we're heading to the beach right now, and we just parked. We're going to find a parking meter to pay for the beach. Sandy just found a parking meter.
What's up?
Did you pay?
No, it says out of order, use other meter. I don't know where the other meter is.
How do they know?
But there's an arrow pointing this way.
Oh, okay.
So check it out. See what happens.
Alright.
Does it sit to the right?
Oh yeah, here it is.
Terrible instructions on there, just guess.
Got a second? Yeah.
That's it.
Alright. Paid for our parking spot. Now we're gonna head down to the beach. We're on 7th Street Beach, I guess. I don't know.
Tybee Beach.
Tybee.
That's what it's called.
Tybee Beach.
Tybee.
Tybee. Alright. So, I'm actually pretty glad about this. We brought our stroller.
Stroller.
Our carriage thing.
Wagon?
Is that what that is? Wagon? This thing came with our RV, and it folds up, but I decided to just make it super hard on myself and keep it. But I'm stoked because we're going to be able to carry all this stuff without having to carry everything. Now, super simple, super easy. Just throw the stuff in there. Pop the tent, pull the cart. Good to go.
Did you say it came with our RV?
Yeah.
We bought it.
Yeah. Oh, we bought it for the RV.
We bought it when we bought our RV, yeah. Didn't come with the RV.
Fake news.
Just wheels are just dragging. There's a storm on the horizon.
Billy! Sandy just said that everybody's leaving the beach, and I wonder why. Pretty gnarly storm coming in. Up and leave. Not much time that we were able to spend on the beach. Well, I'll just let you see why. Damn. Having much luck on today's adventure, but it still is very fun. We just went to the Wild, W-Y-L-D, because Sandy saw online that it had some really good reviews, good food, good seafood. Local spot. It's right on the river. So we walked up. They don't have any power from this storm right now, so they can't do much of anything, but this spot would be pretty cool during a nice sunny day. They got some outside seating, patio area covered, so unfortunately we can't go in right now, but on the next trip we'll have to come back here.
What's the plan now?
I don't know. Look something up and we'll go that way.
What way?
I don't know, to somewhere that's...
You wanna go somewhere else?
Yeah.
Seafood?
Sure.
Yeah.
Do we have any, are there any spots that are...
Closer to us?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna check some of those spots out?
Yes.
Okay. What do you got?
This is Shelby. She's the little kitty cat. What are you doing? She jumped right up in my lap when I sat down. She's so cute. What are you doing?
Oh.
Oh, isn't she cute? The server said, just kick her off whenever you're done with her, she'll move. Hi. So, this is really funny because we actually stopped off here one time when we were traveling up from Florida to Rhode Island because we had a flat tire, I think, that needed to get repaired, right?
Something happened.
And anyway, so we had to drop our car up at Walmart, I think, to have the tire fixed or replaced. And so in the meantime, we drove or came here and had lunch while the car was getting fixed. And it's so random because it was just a random exit off the highway when we found this place, and we ended up back at it today, not knowing it was the same place. It's funny. She's so little. Oh. Oh. Making biscuits on your
It's
leg.
like squeezing the little paws into my lap.
Yeah, making biscuits.
Is that what that's called?
Kneading.
Oh, they said
Kneading the dough.
making biscuits.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We are going through a drive-through
Package store.
package store. Do you have any Alto tequila?
Alto? No.
What silver?
What silver do you have?
We have Lunazul, we have Espolon.
Luna Azul's good.
Luna Azul is good. Can I get a 750? I appreciate it.
Check it out.
Why did we just get tequila?
Because we needed to have some for tonight because in St. Augustine we bought some passion fruit sour mix
From City Gate Distillery.
City Gate Distillery.
So you can't have sour mix without
Tequila.
We are out for just a very quick stroll before heading on to Charleston. We had like a 2-hour drive roughly to get to our Charleston campground. This morning we slept in, well I slept in a little late, and we were just casually packing up the campsite when I realized that I should check what time checkout was, and I checked what time checkout was at 10:59 and checkout was at 11. So we were rushing around trying to get packed up really quickly. We were pulling out of our campsite around 11:25, so about 25 minutes late, not too bad. But because we were rushing, we did something very stupid, which was
We had the whole trailer all hooked up and everything ready to go. I get in the car, put it in drive, and trailer and car are not really going anywhere. So I give it a little bit more gas, and just as I'm giving it more gas, Sandy goes, "Is the hitch up?" I was like, "Nope." And just at that moment, it slid off of the 2 blocks that we had.
The
Hey,
jack.
Sophie, Max, here.
the jack part.
The jack.
that's down that holds the trailer up.
And it slid off of that, went boom, crashed down, dug into the sand. And I was like, oh man. So put it in park, went over there, raised it up, had a bunch of tension on it, so when it got actually lifted off the car, it was like whap and smacked forward. But luckily, nothing actually happened to the jack or the car or the trailer. So we got lucky this time, but rule of thumb there is triple check, quadruple check.
Don't
Just
hurry.
check. Just stay relaxed. Even if you're a little bit late, you're not gonna get a penalty or fine. We're 35 minutes late, and those 2 extra seconds wouldn't have made a huge difference in anything. It just would have made sure that we checked everything and rechecked.
Yeah, super lucky that there was no damage to the jack because it slid off of the 2 blocks it was on and hit the ground and obviously caught all of the weight of the trailer. So
All right, we are going for this walk, and then we're gonna go to Charleston.